Ever feel like your calendar's managing you? Instead of the other way around? Meet Rise Calendar, the app that's rewriting the rules of time management. In the world of endless meetings, Rise shines with its Focus Guard feature. It's like having a personal assistant who says, nope, they're busy, blocking out time for that deep work you've been dreaming about. Gone are the days of double-booked disasters. Rise's flexible meetings glide across your calendar like well-behaved ducks. You can practically hear them quack. Efficiency. Rise isn't just a pretty face for macOS users, it's a team player too. Up to 5 members can join for free. After that, it's just $16 per user per month. It's still in public beta with no mobile app in sight, but don't let that stop you. This app is on the rise, and it's only going to get better. With Rise, it's not just about tracking time, it's about making time work for you. Whether you're plotting world domination or just trying to remember yoga class, Rise has got your back. Rise Calendar, where focus meets freedom, because your time isn't just another commodity.